Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and somebody needed some help with this Sprinter van. It does not trace where the flip, so this is one of those times that, and I would definitely test it on something first before I would, well, if you got some, he's going to print them on cups. But this is what he sent me. It's better than the trace, but it's got this white background. So the best way to do that, this thing is a little more than 3 inches. Set your nudge factor for 4. We're going to go ahead, I've resampled it. It's at 300 dots per inch. Just go to trace, outline trace. This time I actually used low quality image instead of clip art. And I get that. Now I'm going to nudge that over that 4 inches. Now what we're going to do is take that 4-inch part, or the one we moved over, go up to Object, Group, and Ungroup. And we're going to get rid of this white background. And you could use almost any sort of clip art. But now that it's ungrouped, you can take the boundary tool, nudge the boundary over, and that's what you get. Now we can take our original artwork and nudge it over to that exact space, select them both and go to intersect, and then nudge that out of the way, and the white background is gone. So we're using the exact, it's a bitmap, I'm pretty sure, a grayscale bitmap, and it's really pretty clean, and being that small on a cup, it might really print. I don't know if he's printing it or engraving it, but it's better than the trace. If you can see, the trace could be cleaned up, but it would take you a lot of work. You've lost, the Mercedes emblem looks better. So in this case, if you have an old cup, I would take that out of the realm and print it on something. Now, I don't know, he didn't say if he was engraving or printing. I can't remember. If you're engraving, you probably need to get rid of this white lettering. So go to Group and Ungroup. Take this white lettering and right click or left click, no fill. Move it out of the way. Right click and outline, and do the same for this, and then circle, left click, and then move this back, and then use your Smart Fill tool to fill it in with that black. If you're engraving, you want to do black. And now you have, the words won't be engraved. Now maybe he's printing it. I don't really remember. I get so many emails I can't keep up with them. But just do the same thing for the bottom, and then that way the yellow background, it will not engrave. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.